Brad Williams, XL Primed. I've had a number of questions on, hey, Brad, well, I don't quite get this lens thing and the minus and the plus. And let me just show you what's going on here. We did this before. Here, we're going to count all S's in this series. Remember, LEN B5 minus LEN substitute B5, B3. We're substituting, we're getting rid of blanks. And then here, we're looking for S's, okay? Note the missing S's, there's 3. So how does this work? We have LEN, B5. Then we have LEN substitute B5S with a blank. A little bit of a twist. How do we count? We had 47. We replace the S's with a blank. Pretty nifty, yeah? And then we end up with E5 minus F5. We are still way earlier before, see, this is what it looks like. Substitute B5S. If you look wherever there's an S, we're going to replace that with a blank. Then we're just going to count using the LEN function. Pretty creative. You like that? Here, go down. We're looking for S's here. I have no idea Tom would take it so badly. Well, what happens when we replace that S with a blank? I had no idea Tom would take it badly. We don't care about this result. What we're trying to do is, we're doing a head fake here. We had 41, now we have 40. And so that's how you count the S's. And then the sum product, we did this previously. And all we're doing, if you don't have this LEN in place, where we counted the S's here, and we just did a sum, you could do the same thing here. Sum product, LEN B5 minus substitute. Keep in mind, here's what we're substituting. See here, you can change this to whatever letter you want, or you can hard code it. Either way, practice this. This is a warm up to the next tutorial where we're going to be counting all of the words here, and we're going to use the exact same format. We're going to use the LEN function. We're going to count all of the characters. Then we're going to use substitute, and we're going to remove all the blanks. And we're going to take LEN minus the new configuration. We're going to be able to count all of the words. Stay tuned. Hey, this is a warm-up, so hit this hard, okay? Go through and just look at the simplicity here. And if you need to just change stuff around, do it. That's exactly how I learned this a zillion years ago. I just strip this stuff apart until I can visually see it. Brad Williams, XL Prime.